Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing our NatureBox unboxing for 2018. Yay. Okay, this is a do-over. We're going to talk about that. The first thing in the box was the aged lentil loops. I know I have this slight thing going on. I've had such a horrible time setting up. We're just going to move forward. These are delicious. Oh, aged cheddar lentil loops. This is not a resealable bag. They're delicious. These are really easy to eat, which is a problem. Just FYI. So good though. So good. Next thing in the box, was the vanilla bean wafers. Can't see what I'm doing, sorry. These are cookies, and the ingredient lists are not that complicated. That's what I like about NatureBox. This one's got a little more stuff in it because it's a cookie. This is what they look like. They're light. And so buttery. Oh my god. I could eat the whole bag. I'm not going to, but I could. I'll save those for last. The next thing in their new packaging are the crispy snickerdoodles. These are also very good. There's little mini cookies. They're so good. They're so tasty. So easy to eat. Evil. These are a little crumblier, more crumbly than the vanilla bean wafer cookies. They're also very good. I'll do it side by side just so you can see. When I would pull out half a cookie. So this is the vanilla bean. And this is the snickerdoodle. You see this one's darker. It's got a lot more crumb action going on right here. This is the polish I got from my Walmart unboxing that you probably just saw not that long ago. Oh wait, I haven't uploaded it yet. That's coming. That's coming. Okay. So good. So very good. NatureBox is a subscription snack box. The snacks are supposed to be healthier for you. Not when you eat the whole bag in one sitting of cookies. That's not healthier. But in general, it's a healthier option for snacks. The fourth thing in the box is sweet and salty nut medley. And it simply has honey roasted peanuts, almonds, cashews, peanut oil, and salt. Simple ingredient list. This is what it looks like. And it's got a couple almonds, some cashews, plain peanuts, and the honey roasted ones. These are also very good. Oh, sorry. I'm going to drop that. These are honey roasted. Here's an almond. I had a cashew earlier when I filmed this the first time. Very good. Last but not least, one of my favorite salty snacks, the sea salt cassava chips. Cassava's non-hydrogenated vegetable oil and sea salt. Those are the only ingredients. Not a resealable bag. I can't eat this whole bag. Not recommended. Serving size is about 18 chips. There are 4 servings in this bag. It's not healthier when you eat the whole thing. So, everything in moderation. Okay, that's it. You can order NatureBox as frequently as you like. I think you can do it weekly. And at the most, I think it's every month. I get the deluxe, which is a 5 snack box. It's $19.95. They have a regular size, which I think is 3 snacks for like $15 or something like that. They have a large box, super deluxe, I don't know what it's called. It's 10 snacks, I think it's $35. Then they have a company size, which is like 50 something dollars, and it comes with 30 snacks. I'm not that good at sharing, so I don't get the company box. I sometimes don't even share these little snacks that I have. I tell people about them, and then I might offer them every once in a while. You know, I'm not good at sharing food. I'm just not gonna lie. Okay. So if you have not tried NatureBox, naturebox.com. This is not a sponsored video. I just really like them. I haven't had them in a few months, so it was fun to have them back. I'm going to have the sea salt nut medley this week. And I might save the cookies for like once or twice a week and try and let those last. Because if I just take the bag to work, yeah, it won't last the night. It just won't. Let me know what you've tried in your box. What are your favorite snacks? If you tried anything that you didn't like, was the customer service good for you? Because it worked for me. If I let them know that I don't like a snack, they replace it in your next box, and so you essentially get an extra snack because they replace what you didn't like. You can rate your snacks and let them know, and that kind of lets them know what to send you if what you are requesting is out, or they're out of stock. If they're out of stock, they'll replace it, usually with something that is similar to something you've ordered in the past, if not a duplicate of what you've previously ordered. And that's it. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great week. Bye.